And so when you're doing a home inspection, are you only doing home inspections for people who just bought houses, or do you do it annually or every few years?
Yep. All of that. All of that. If you're buying a home, selling a home, you should get it. But when I was a home inspector, I would schedule 3 inspections when I would schedule 1. A lot of home inspectors just schedule 1 home inspection. You should be scheduling at least 3. The home inspection, to do the home inspection for my buyer client. And I want to do a home inspection for them after they move in and live in it for about a year. I'll come back and do like a annual maintenance inspection, a checkup. Let's see how things are going. And also, in between there's closing. So if you buy the home, then like a couple weeks later, you close. So we call it the closing, where you sign on the line to buy the home. Just before that, get a home inspection. So I would schedule a $400 home inspection, a $50 closing inspection, and a $150 annual maintenance inspection. And that's just home inspection. Then there's radon, mold, pool, energy, thermal. It just goes on and on.
Right.
Yeah.
And so